Hello friends, welcome back to GaMa tutorials. In previous session you have seen regarding unit testing. In this session we are going to see integration testing. So what is mean by integration? Integration is nothing but we are going to connect interface. Okay. So when we are connecting too many interface at that time how system is behaving and whether it is impacting on our previously past functionality. Okay. So let's see. In previous session we have seen unit testing. We did unit testing for video tutorials. Okay. So if you see video tutorial has some requirement and that requirement is nothing but video should be played within a website, should not redirect to YouTube or another website. So we did unit testing for that. We wrote one test case and we check whether functionality is working as per requirement or not. Okay. So in that case, unit testing was passed because video was playing within a website. Now what happened? One more tab is developed, okay, and that tab is nothing but home tab. So another developer work on that tab and that tab is now ready. Basically in that tab we are using integration plugin of Facebook. Okay, so because of that we have to check when we are integrating these two tab, home tab and video tab. Okay, at that time is there any impact on previously past functionality? Okay, so let's see. This is the home tab developed by developer 1. Okay, and this is the Facebook integration for liking GaMa tutorial page on Facebook. Now there is one more tab, okay, video, okay, which is developed by another developer. Okay, and we have to check whether this one is working or not. If you see my previous video, in that case it was working, but now it is not working. It means when we are integrating home tab with video tab, okay, home tab is having some interface with Facebook plugin. Okay, so maybe because of this functionality the previous functionality is not working. So we are basically doing testing for these two tabs as a part of integration testing, and we came to know that the previous functionality, see, if I am clicking it is not working, it means that it is failing in integration testing but it was passing in unit testing. So we have to mark home tab functionality as a pass, but for integration testing we are failing the test case 1. I hope you got the meaning of integration testing in comment section. Thank you for watching. In next video we are going to learn system testing.